Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're cooking mussels in the Thermomix TM6. With the ingredients for this we have parsley, garlic, onions, extra virgin olive oil, double cream, white wine, salt and pepper. That is it. Now, there's a little story behind this, I won't go on too long. Last year, before the COVID, Jack and I went to Italy. We left our passports in the safe in Maranello. So we didn't realise this till we got to France. All was lost, so we went on to Belgium. While we were in Belgium, in a town called Ghent, we had this wonderful dish, and I'm going to try and replicate it. They call it moule marinière, I call it mussels in white wine. So here we go. First of all, parsley. Put our lid on there. And we're just going to chop this up and then put it back into the bowl and keep it for later. That's it. Okay, we'll take that out and we'll put it into here, and we will then use that later. So in goes our parsley. We put a couple of garlic cloves into here, onions, extra virgin olive oil, and then we put the lid with the measuring cup in the top, and we now go on just for 4 seconds on this one. With the measuring cup still in place, you go for 8 minutes, 120 degrees, and there we are. That is then carrying on. Right, there we go. That's that part done. The next thing we have to do is put the mussels that are in the bowl into what's called a varoma dish. Now the varoma dish comes with your TM6, and there it is. That goes on top of your lid. This is handy for straining, all sorts of things. So we put our mussels into there. Just get rid of some of that excess steam. Can you give me the mussels, Jack? Thank you. Right, there we've got 1,000 grams of mussels going into our varoma dish. Get them all in. When you prepare your mussels, if you've got any beards on them, make sure you just pull them out and scrape them. Any that are wildly open or cracked, just discard them. Right, put our bowl back in, and we're going to add some white wine. Good white wine, not rubbish, only stuff that you'll drink. Put our lid back on. We take off the measuring cup. We will place the varoma on top with its lid. And then we will cook that 13 minutes. Okay, next part is we have to take the varoma dish off, set it aside onto a plate, and we keep it covered, and we come back to that later. We now place the simmering basket instead of the measuring cup on the top of the bowl, and then we will now cook this for a further time on speed 1, and we come back to that later. Okay, there we go, that's that part done. We'll remove the simmering basket, and we will just add some salt to that. So I've got salt here, pinch of salt, and a pinch of pepper. And then what we do is add in our cream, double cream, and we will put our measuring cup back in, and we just give that a quick cook for 2 minutes at 90 at speed 1. That part of the process is now finished. Remove the lid, push the button, and we now transfer the steamed mussels onto a plate. So we've got a nice big serving dish because we've got a lot of mussels. So we take the lid off of the varoma, pour them all onto here, and when you're doing this, have a check, and if there are any mussels that haven't opened, discard them because it means they're not very good. We now pour the contents over the mussels. Lovely liquid, look at that, absolutely gorgeous. Smells fantastic. Can't wait to try this. There we are, beautiful. And you can get some bread and you can mop up all these juices with a piece of French bread. Now we put our reserve parsley over the top, and that is our completed dish. Moule mariniere, or as we call it, mussels in a white cream sauce. Right, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Now, it takes a lot to do these. Jack's done a great job on the video. Thanks a lot, Jack. Couldn't do it without you. And everybody, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much. Bye.